Today we are making Turkish grilled duck with pomegranate molasses, perfect for your Easter table. It serves 4 people and takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes from start to finish. Let us get cooking. First, let's check the ingredients. For skin on duck breasts, about 2 pounds total. These are the star of our grill. 4 tablespoons of olive oil, divided. We will use some for the marinade, some for the glaze, and some for brushing. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice for bright acidity in the marinade. 4 cloves of garlic, minced and divided. 3 go in the marinade and 1 in the glaze. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin for warmth. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander for citrusy notes. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme for herbal balance. 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper flakes for gentle heat and fruitiness. 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for bright aroma. 1 1/2 teaspoons of kosher salt, divided. We will season the marinade and the glaze, and a little for brushing. 3/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, divided. Some for the marinade and some for brushing the onions. 3 tablespoons of pomegranate molasses for a tangy, glossy glaze. 1 tablespoon of honey to balance the tang. For whole spring onions for a quick charred side. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh mint, divided. Half goes in the marinade and half finishes the dish. 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds to sprinkle at the end. 1 lemon, cut into wedges, for serving. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Pat the duck breasts dry, then score the skin in a shallow crosshatch, taking care not to cut into the meat. In a medium bowl, make the marinade. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon Aleppo pepper, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 tablespoon chopped mint. Whisk until combined. Coat the duck with the marinade, focusing on the flesh side. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes and up to 2 hours. Make the glaze in a small bowl. Mix 3 tablespoons pomegranate molasses, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 minced garlic clove, and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Stir until glossy. Prep the spring onions. Toss 4 whole spring onions with 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Preheat a black cast iron grill pan over medium heat for 5 minutes. Wipe any excess marinade from the duck skin. Place the duck skin side down on the hot grill pan over medium heat. Cook without moving for 6 to 8 minutes to render fat and crisp the skin, spooning off excess fat if needed. Flip the duck and grill the flesh side for 3 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Brush both sides with the pomegranate glaze. Flip once or twice, brushing again, and cook 2 to 3 minutes per side, until the thickest part reaches 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. Transfer the duck to a board and let it rest for 5 to 7 minutes, loosely tinted with foil. Grill the spring onions on the same pan for 2 to 3 minutes per side until charred and tender. Slice the rested duck breasts thinly on a bias. Arrange the sliced duck over the grilled spring onions. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of the remaining glaze over the meat. Finish with 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh mint and 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds. Serve immediately with lemon wedges. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Easter-ready Turkish grilled duck, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a new recipe.